is Danielle, your Texan treasure hunter up here in Spring to bring you another great Blue Moon sale that we have this weekend. We are here Friday and Saturday, December 6th and 7th in the Gleannloch Farms neighborhood between 9 to 2 both days. This is one of 2 sales that we have in this neighborhood, so it's a great time to come out and you can hit both houses. They're only 5 minutes away from each other. We will be doing the special deal that we have on Friday if you shop both houses, so be sure and come out. This is a nice big 2-story house, and each house has its own different unique treasures, which is awesome to have them so close together. So let's take a look inside. Okay, we're here on the corner street for this sale in Gleannloch Farms. Again, we're Friday 9 to 2 both days. No appointments are needed for these sales. And let's step inside. So as soon as we come in, we are greeted with our large dining room here. This is a very large and beautiful dining room table. Let me pull the chair out a little so you can see the detail of the wood on the edges. We have lots of chairs. We have 12 leather and wood chairs that go with this table. There is an extra leaf standing up there in the corner, so the table does get even larger than it is now, but for space, we had to take one of the leaves out. Also in the entryway, we have this really beautiful grandfather clock. This is a Ridgeway. Both houses actually have grandfather clocks in them. So if you're looking for a grandfather clock, it's a great weekend to get one. And they're both different styles. So be sure and check out the other house in the photos there as well. I'm going to come around this side of the dining table so I can show you from this angle. We have a couple of really nice flatware settings. We have this gold set. And then we have this stainless set. Both are in boxes. Against the wall, we have several sets of china and stoneware. This is actually Mikasa Italian countryside pattern stoneware. Check out this beautiful tea set. This looks authentic from Japan. Beautiful. But you can see we have several different patterns. We have this little green floral, all the plates and bowls. We have a small set with a navy and petite rose flower. This is a gorgeous Nortaki set with the gold pattern. Serving pieces as well. And then we have this very simple, understated Nortaki set. If you can see the little raised white pattern, and then it has the gold edges. Really pretty. So as I turn around and head into the living room, we have some big pieces of furniture, really nice pieces. And again, this is a work in progress, so we are still sorting through things, so please forgive some of the clutter a little bit, but I want to get these videos out so you guys can see. We will move these tables a little bit better, but look at these cool, this is a side table with a marble top, and then there's a coffee table to match it with a marble top. And then check out this large L-shaped sofa. And it has the electronic recline feature on it. Nice, big, comfortable couch. It even has the cup holders. Charging things over there. Very cool. Behind me, this is one of several large flat screen TVs we have in the house. There's a lot of electronics in here, very modern electronics, up to date. So it's a great place to get some of these things. A large collection of children's books. as well as some leather-bound book sets and even an encyclopedia set. Upstairs is a lot of electronics. This is actually a bin that we are still going through that has some electronics in it. I'm just going to give you a peek. There's lots of speakers and stuff in there. So watch for the photos of that additional electronics. Over here is this really nice wood desk. And then it has a Brother printer. And then check out this command station, which 4 HP monitors all on stands. Each stand holds 2 monitors. So that's a really nice setup for an office. We'll price them individually so you don't have to buy all 4. But if you need 4, that's a pretty cool setup. Some things on the mantle. And then this is where our register is going to be. We're still setting up. And always we have our designer purses and items here. You see we have some Coach, several different Coach bags. So we will have better photos of those. That's a cute one. And these will be found up at our register. So as we head into the kitchen, we've got more dish sets here. Lots of different teacups. Little cute bowls. Tea sets. Another stoneware set. Check out these mugs and beer steins. Look at those. That's cool. America the Beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at this one. Is a NASA. That's really cool. I've never seen one like that before. Look at the little NASA guy on top. Lots of glassware and crystal. Some really pretty decanters. Just lots of cute little things. Like look at the little spreaders. They're boots. So cute. So as we go around the kitchen, we have some small appliances. Lots of pots and pans. This is a nice air fry oven. Also does, it looks like rotisserie and dehydrator. Gosh, it looks like it does everything. Pizza reheat. That's a nice one. The doors open up. Some very cool knives. Lots of pots and pans, some nice wood cutting boards, several different cast iron skillets. We've got some Calphalon and some Copper Chef, some good brands. And then check out this fridge. This refrigerator is for sale. Really nice side by side with the sleek doors on the front. That's the new style, the modern style that people are liking now. In the pantry, we have several small appliances. We even have some baby items, the baby Breeza, and then some food items. Some baby bottles and baby paraphernalia. Lots of mugs. That's a cool lamp. Lots of utensils. We have a mixer, a food processor in the middle here. Some nice knife sets. Look at these Hinkles. These don't even look like they've ever been used before. Really pretty steak knives. Oh, you can see my reflection in them. Okay, let's head into the master bedroom. We have this really beautiful king size bed. And it's got the white with the upholstery headboard. Also footboard. It's a nice modern style. There are matching nightstands, 2 nightstands. as well as a dresser. Matches the bed, so a 3-piece set. Another large flat screen Samsung TV. Lots of linens, towels over here. And then check out this massage chair. It is Kahuna brand. And it's one of those you sit, full body massage, feet, legs, everything. I believe it goes 0 gravity as well. Yep, there's a remote. These are super expensive, but they're awesome. A friend of mine had one and it was amazing. Okay, we're gonna head into the bathroom. We have lots of bathroom items, some more bedding and quilts, several different bedding sets. Also some really gorgeous clothing in this house. Check out this wedding dress or white formal dress. Either way, I wore a white formal to my prom, not necessarily a wedding dress, but it still has the tag on it. It's never even been worn, size 6. This really beautiful silver dress also with a tag on it. And look at the black. Gorgeous. Lots of name brand clothing in this house. Women's clothing. It is small sizes. So I think I've seen anywhere from a 0 to a 6. But you can see there's Burberry. There's lots of designer dress suits. So for any women that need some dress clothes for work, there's lots of good pieces here. Tons of shoes. A lot of the shoes are a 7.5. And then these dresses are really pretty. Let's see if I can. So there'll be some pictures of some of these, but some really nice. There's some Calvin Klein, lots of different name brands, like I said. In the laundry room, we have this Frigidaire front load washer and dryer. And then also this Whirlpool freezer. Still a little bit of organizing to do in here. Okay, so let's step outside here on the patio. We have lots of pet supplies. Some big kennels. Lots of gates. Some plastic kennels and some metal kennels. This is a really cool chair. The swing chair. And then we have some baby, so this is like a baby gated play area. And then we have the exercise mats here as well, several of them. They all Velcro together. The pool is roped off, so we're gonna leave it like that for the sale. Nobody needs to be wandering in there. We have this really nice ladder. And then let's head into the garage. So as we step into the garage, there is a workout room here. Some workout equipment. Looks like we have some boxing gloves and Pilates machine, weight bench, lots of free weights. Some are pretty heavy, so bring your muscles. We have lots of luggage and suitcases. An overhead weight machine with a lot of the free weights as well. Another bench. There's some accessories and some Army military backpacks. We head down this way. We have a lot of moving blankets. So if you guys need moving blankets, this is a great place to come get them. They're all neatly stacked and folded. I know these are always a hot item. So in the garage, we've set up some tables. We do have some tools and stuff. I'm just going to kind of walk you around. So you can see here, I think that's a pressure washer. We do have a little bit of holiday decor. There's some tools over here, some toolboxes. This bin has a lot of beautiful curtains, embroidered curtains, a large toolbox, weed eater, a couple chainsaws, blower. There is a table saw. So there's some good stuff out here. This is a tiller. And then on the tables, we've laid some more tools out, as well as some accessories. Some more Army military clothing down here. Some barbecue supplies. Yard tools. And a set of 4 bar stools as well. So lots of things here in the garage. Oh, and then there is a refrigerator, a garage fridge out here as well. Not as nice as the one inside. All right, so we've just come upstairs, and this is a cute little children's bedroom. So it looks like a full bed. Look at the little babies. And then we have a matching nightstand, dresser, another flat screen TV. This one's a Panasonic. A mirror. They could either hang on the wall or go over the dresser. And then check that out. Oh my goodness, look at that vintage little vanity desk. So cute. And in such great condition. We're going to go down the hallway to this nice open room. And this is where we have the bulk of our electronics. And there are some nice electronics in here. And if you will notice in the boxes, they're brand new. So we've got a Dell monitor set, brand new. This is actually 2 monitors and the stands. We have a 3D printer. Another flat screen TV. This is an LG. Xbox 360. Tons and tons of games, and these are good games. And we also have some really good movie sets, DVD sets. The Hobbit, Big Bang Theory, Lord of the Rings, some really good sets, some cool games. And some of these are brand new, like all those Cards Against Humanity expansion decks are all brand new. They've never even been used. More games over here. We have a flight simulator. Everything is here in the box. And again, we have some more detailed pictures of that online. This is a home theater system. So it's Panasonic, but it has all the pieces in it. A projector with the screen as well. Again, I'm not going to pull it out one-handed, so you'll see the photos. I love this little love seat. This silver velvet with the nail head love seat. Really cute piece. It's not super huge. It'd fit in a lot of places. Lots of places. over on this table. And this is one of those tables, the standing table that can raise and lower. We had one of these a couple weeks ago and it went right away. We have a second 3D printer. And look at this little sewing machine, little brother. So cute. And all the sewing threads, brand new. It doesn't even look like it's ever even been used. There's a box for it. Oh, the camera's going crazy. We have an office desk and another monitor, a few little random electronics. And then we'll go down the hall to the next room. All right, so we're heading down the hall to the next bedroom. So this one looks like it's got a brand new full mattress and box spring. There is lots of little baby toys, playpen, ball pit, lots of toys up here. So lots of kids stuff. Again, not every estate sale just has old vintage items. We also have new things. So again, lots of baby toys. Cute little exerciser. A little trike. And then in the closet, a few more baby items. This is our last bedroom. It's upstairs. Check out this wood bed. Really pretty. I love the Texas star styling. And all the furniture in this room matches. So we have the matching nightstand. We have a corner cabinet. And then check out these lamps made out of horns. Very cool. And then behind me, we have this entertainment center with the bookshelves on the side and one more TV. So again, our sale is going to be Friday and Saturday, December 6th and 7th from 9 to 2 both days. This is one of 2 sales that we have in Gleannloch Farms. We are in spring, so we can't wait to see you guys this weekend.